Yes, good morning students. Today we are going to see topic Quartile Deviation. Raw data. Quartile Deviation for raw data. Quartile Deviation is obtained by the formula Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q2, where Q1 is equal to size of n plus 1 divided by fourth term, and Q3 is obtained with the help of size of 3 times n plus 1 divided by fourth term. Here n represents number of observation which is given in the problem. Then coefficient of Quartile deviation is obtained using this formula Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. Yes, now we will discuss one problem in this model. From the following data, calculate Quartile deviation and its coefficient. Here the data are there: 14, 9, 19, 7, 8, 4, 3, 13, 10 and 6, 5. Okay. Yes. For finding Quartile deviation, first we have to arrange the data either in ascending or descending order. Yes. Now let us arrange the given data in ascending order, that is small to big number. Yes. Now I arranged all these things. Then we started to calculate Q1. Q1 is equal to size of n plus 1 by fourth term. Here n represents number of observations. See here, totally how many observations are there? 11 observations are there. So replace n with 11. So 11 plus 1 divided by 4, which is equal to 12 by 4, which is equal to third. So now Q1 is what? Size of third term. That means we have to see the third value from the arranged data. Okay, so this is the first value, second value, third value. So third value is nothing but what? 5. Therefore value of Q1 is equal to 5. Next we have to find Q3. Q3 is equal to size of 3 times n plus 1 divided by fourth term. So replace n with 11, we are getting it as 12 by 4, which is nothing but 4. When you multiply 4 with 3 into 3, which is nothing but 9. Now we have to see the ninth term in the arranged one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the ninth term is what? 13. Therefore Q3 is equal to 13. After finding Q1 and Q3, Quartile deviation is obtained with the help of Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q2. So QD is equal to Q3 is what? 13. Q1 is what? 5. So 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. So now QD is nothing but 4. Next we have to find coefficient of Quartile deviation. Coefficient of Quartile deviation is obtained by using Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. So Q3 we obtained it as 13 and Q1 we obtained it as 5. Now substitute those two values in the respective place and simplify to get the value of coefficient of Quartile deviation, which is nothing but 0.44. This is an example for raw data. Next we will find Quartile deviation for discrete data. So this is the formula. Quartile deviation is equal to Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. Same, Q1 is obtained with the help of size of n plus 1 by fourth term, and Q3 is equal to size of 3 times n plus 1 divided by fourth term. Here n represents sum f. Okay, right. Then coefficient of Quartile deviation is nothing but Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. So now we will do one problem regarding this model. Yes. Calculate Quartile deviation and its coefficient for the following. So x values is given as 60, 61, 62, 63, 65 and 70, and f, the respective frequencies are given. As we know, we all familiar to identify how we can identify whether the given problem is discrete. For each and every values of x, we are having respective frequency, then we can conclude the problem comes under discrete case. Yes. Now, in solution, first write the given problem as it is. Okay. Then we have to find cumulative frequency. For finding quartile deviation, we have to find cumulative frequency. How to find cumulative frequency for the given problem? Means, first we have to write the first value of frequency as it is. So here it is 1, so we write it as 1. Then the second value of cumulative frequency is by adding the first value of cumulative frequency and the second value of the frequency. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. Then 10 plus 16 plus 10 is equal to 26. Then 26 plus 1 is equal to 27. Then plus 3 is equal to 30. Then plus 1 is equal to 31. So the last value of cumulative frequency is nothing but what? Capital N. Next we have to find the value for Q1. So Q1 is obtained with the help of size of n plus 1 divided by fourth term. Here n is nothing but what? The last value of CF, or which is nothing but sum of. Okay. So 31 plus 1 divided by fourth term. So therefore 32 divided by 4 is equal to 8th term. Okay. Now we have to see 8 in CF. Okay. We have to see 8 in where? CF. So value of 8 is there or not? It is not there. So the next highest value of 8 is what? 9. So corresponding x value of 9 is what? 62. Therefore Q1 is equal to 62. Then we have to find Q3. Q3 is obtained with the help of size of 3 times n plus 1 divided by fourth term. So now replace n is equal to 31. So 31 plus 1 divided by 4 is equal to 8. That will be multiplied with 3. So 24. Again we have to see this 24 in CF. If 24 here, 24 is not there. So the next highest value of 24 is what? 26. So corresponding x value of 26 is what? 65. Therefore Q3 is equal to 65. Now successfully we find out the value of Q1 and Q3. Next we have to find quartile deviation. QD is equal to Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. We found Q3 as 65, Q1 as 62. Now substitute in the respective place, simplify, you can get the value as 1.5 as quartile deviation. For coefficient of quartile deviation, Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus 1. Now substitute Q3 is equal to 65 and Q1 is equal to 62 in the above formula. Simplify, you are getting it as 0.0236. Next, we are going to find quartile deviation for continuous case. Okay, quartile deviation is obtained with the help of Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. Here Q1 is obtained with the help of size of n plus n divided by fourth term, not n plus 1. Okay, well, when you come for discrete as well as raw data, you have to calculate Q1 is equal to size of n plus 1 by fourth term. When you come for continuous case, Q1 is calculated with the help of size of n by fourth term. With the help of this, we can find Q1 class. Then Q1 value of first quartile is obtained by using this formula, L plus n by 4 minus CF divided by F into I. Likewise Q3 is equal to size of 3 times n by 4 term. Okay, so Q3 is obtained with the help of n plus 3 times n by 4 minus CF divided by F into I. Then coefficient of quartile deviation is equal to Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. Now we will do one problem in continuous case. Yes. Calculate quartile deviation and its coefficient from the following data. So the values variable as well as frequencies is given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. Likewise, it keep on goes up to 60 to 70, and the respective frequencies are given here. Okay, when the class intervals are given, then we conclude the given problem comes under continuous case. Okay, next solution. Write the given problem as it is. Okay, class interval frequency. When we come for quartile division, we have to find what? CF, cumulative frequency. Yes, how to find cumulative frequency? First, we have to write the first frequency as it is, 8 as it is. Then you have to add 8 with successive frequencies. So 8 plus 22 is equal to 30. Then 30 plus 13 is equal to 43. 43 plus 30 is equal to 73. 73 plus 8 is equal to 81. Then 81 plus 9 is equal to 90, and 90 plus 10 is equal to 100. So the last value of CF is nothing but what? Capital N. Now we have to find Q1 class. So Q1 is equal to size of n by fourth term. Here we obtained n as 100. So 100 divided by 4 is equal to what? 25. So we have to see 25th term in CF. So it is not there. Then we have to see the next highest value of 25. Next highest value of 25 is what? 30. So corresponding class interval for 30 is what? 10 to 20. Therefore that is Q1 class. So Q1 class is equal to 10 to 20. So now Q1 is obtained with the help of this formula, L plus n by 4 minus CF divided by F into I. So where L is nothing but lower limit of the Q1 class. So 10 to 20 is the Q1 class. Therefore the lower limit is nothing but what? 10. So Q1 is equal to, L is equal to 10. Then F. F is nothing but frequency of the Q1 class. So for 10 to 20 frequency is 22. Therefore value of F is equal to 22. CF is nothing but preceding cumulative frequency of the Q1 class. Preceding cumulative frequency of the Q1 class is what? 8. Therefore CF is equal to 8. I is nothing but difference in the Q1 class, which is nothing but 10. So n by 4 we obtained it as 25. Yes. Now substitute all the values in the above formula and simplify. So L is equal to 10 plus n by 4 is 25. CF is 8 divided by 22 into 10. So 25 minus 8 is equal to 17 divided by 22. So when you simplify and multiply with 10, you are getting it as 7.73. Then the result should be added with 10 to get what? Q1 as 17.73. Next, we have to find Q3. Q3 is nothing but what? Size of 3 times n by 4th term. So 100 divided by 4 is 25. 25 into 3 is what? 75. So now we have to see 75 in where? CF. So 75 is not there. So the next highest value of 75 is what? 81. So corresponding class interval for 81 is what? 40 to 50. Therefore Q3 class is 40 to 50. Now Q3 is obtained with the help of L plus 3 times n by 4 minus CF divided by F into I. Okay. So L is nothing but lower limit of the Q3 class. Lower limit of the Q3 class is what? 40. So L is equal to 40. F is what? Frequency of the Q3 class. Frequency of the Q3 class is what? 8. So F is equal to 8. CF is equal to preceding cumulative frequency of the Q3 class. So this one, 73. So 73. Then I is equal to 10. That is nothing but what? Difference in the Q3 class. Then n by 4 is equal to, not n by 4, 3 times n by 4 is equal to 75. Now substitute all the values in the above formula. So L is equal to 40 plus 3 times n by 4 is what? 75. CF is 73, F with 8 and I with 10. Yes, now simplify this term, which is nothing but 2 by 8. Then the 2 into 10, 20. 20 divided by 8 is 2.5. Add with 40, which is nothing but what? 42.5 is the value for Q3. Then we have to find quartile deviation by using the formula Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. Yes, now substitute Q3 as 42.5 and 17.73 as Q1 divided by 2. Simplify, you are getting it as 12.585, which is nothing but quartile deviation. Likewise, coefficient of quartile deviation is what? Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. So value of Q3 we obtained it as 42.5 and Q1 as 17.73. So now substitute, simplify, and you are getting it as 0.420. Okay. Yes, I hope you can understand how to calculate quartile deviation for all the three cases. Next video we will see another measure. Thank you all.